Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we're going to compare the Xiaomi K20 Pro versus the OnePLUS 7 Pro. We unboxed before the K20 Pro. In case you didn't see that video, go and check that out. The link will be down in the description. And today we'll be comparing these two phones. So in case you're wondering, the 7 Pro from OnePlus has 12 GB of RAM and the Redmi K20 Pro has 6 GB of RAM. This video will be comparing the cameras mainly because they have the same selfie cameras. So we will be comparing the speed of pop-up camera, the speed of Face ID, the speed of fingerprint, and we'll be seeing which one works better. I already put my Face ID here, but let's go through that again. We have here in the settings, find lock screen and password, manage face data. You type your code and data face, and then you just put your face in front of the camera and will be identifying your face. Same with OnePlus. You go to the security and lock screen. You have here all the security, starting with PIN, fingerprint, face unlock and smart lock. So let's go ahead, turn this phone off, and I'm gonna put my face right up the camera, swipe up both of these phones and reel in the same time and see which one will open faster. As you saw in the first one, the first time, the Redmi caught my face quicker than OnePlus. Let's try that one more time. I'm just going to get my face closer to get better results. Let's go ahead and turn this on. 3, 2, 1. This time the OnePlus opened faster, and what we can tell is that Xiaomi decided to make the Redmi K20 Pro in that way that it will unlock your phone, but the camera will still be up until the phone is unlocked. Let's try that one more time. Again, the OnePlus opened faster, but even though the Redmi K20 Pro is working really fast and really good, if you're looking for a budget phone, this phone doesn't cost too much and it really works really good. Let's go ahead and test the fingerprints now, see which one will open faster. I put both of my thumbs in fingerprints of these phones, so let's go ahead, turn them off and on. 3, 2, 1. That was, I think, the same exact time they both powered on. Let's test that again. 3, 2, 1. The fingerprint, I think, is exactly the same time in both of these devices. In this case, we know that these phones works really good. The K20 Pro is showing positive results and is working really fast, faster than I expected. It's keeping up with 7 Pro with fingerprint. So yeah, that's will be it for today's video. If you have any questions, suggestion, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you all. If you want anything or any other comparison between this Redmi K20 Pro and another phone, let us know in comment down below and we'll see what we can do. Thank you very much for your time, and hit the like button, subscribe our channel. We will see you in the next one.